Hello, welcome to the YouTube channel Botany for All. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about the important contributors or the father of concerned branches of the biology or life sciences, the various disciplines of the life science or biology. I have written some of them and I will write the father or the important contributors of them. So let's just start one by one. Firstly, let's start with the genetics. So the father of the genetics or the earlier genetics are Mendel. Is Mendel not R? If I talk about the modern genetics, so T.H. Morgan is the father of modern genetics. These names are generally asked in different competitive examinations, mainly the NEET or the CSIR NET. If I talk about the plant pathology at the international level, so Anton de Berry is the father of plant pathology. But if I talk about the plant pathology father in India, so E.J. Butler, they have also worked in the field of mycology, that is the fungus, the study of fungi or the fungus. So E.J. Butler is the father of plant pathology. Sorry, let me rough it over there, write it over there. So E.J. Butler is not the father of plant physiology. It is the father of plant pathology in India. Next is plant physiology. So there are two scientists. One is the Stephen Hales. In some books, the Stephen Hales is referred as the father of plant physiology, as well as the Julius Sachs. So the both of them are father of plant physiology. If I talk about the father of plant physiology in India, nowadays the father of plant physiology is Satish Chandra Maheshwari, because they have contributed a lot in the field of plant physiology. So they are now the father of plant physiology. Earlier, Sir J.C. Bose was the father of Indian plant physiology. So the correct answer will be S.C. Maheshwari, that is the Satish Chandra Maheshwari. The father of plant physiology is Stephen Hales or maybe Julius Sachs. If I talk about the father of biology or the zoology, the Aristotle was a philosopher as well as the teacher of the Lord Sikandar, or we can say the Alexander the Great, generally called the Sikandar. So Aristotle was the father of biology as well as the zoology. Their student Theophrastus was the father of botany. The Anton van Leeuwenhoek is the father of microbiology. Leeuwenhoek, which first saw the living cell, was the father of microbiology. The Hippocrates was the father of medicine. If I talk about the immunology, the Edward Jenner, whom discovered the vaccine, the Edward Jenner was the father of immunology. Taxonomy, Carolus Linnaeus, Sir Carolus Linnaeus, abbreviated as Lin. You might have seen the scientific names written as genus, species, epithet, as well as the Lin dot. So Lin represents the Carolus Linnaeus. If I talk about the father of mutation, Hugo de Varies was the father of mutation, or is the father of mutation. If I talk about the blood groups, the Karl Landsteiner gives the blood groups as well as they are the father of blood groups. So Karl Landsteiner. If I talk about the virology, so the father of virology was W.M. Stanley. Let me correct myself. Not was, is. Okay. Although they were scientists earlier, but they are the father of virology nowadays. So last one is the genetic engineering. So Paul Berg is the father of genetic engineering. And let me talk about the DNA fingerprinting also. The Alex Zeffre, who have given the word or the discovered the DNA fingerprinting, was the father of genetic engineering. Sorry, the DNA fingerprinting. So Alex Jeffrey is the father of DNA fingerprinting. So these are some scientists which are generally asked in different competitive examinations. So that's all for today. Have a good time.